Hey everybody, I had the chance to do a little more coding this weekend, and so I wanted to share this project with you. So I've run into this problem a few times where I'm trying to bridge audio and share one source to another for some various kind of ham radio project that I've worked on, either maybe decrypting or de-encoding digital modes or something like that. But anyways, I find it kind of tedious to have to go in to the sound configuration manager, find these different sound sources, and then try to bridge them through the configuration. So I wrote a little code to pull that out of the depths of the OS and expose it, and make it easy for everyone to use. So anyway, here's the application that I pulled together. This is again version 1.0, so I'm sure we'll find some bugs and we'll fix those down the road. But here's what the application looks like when you first launch it. It's got the speaker bridge, and it's got the microphone bridge, and then it's got some PPT controls as well. So when you configure the different sources, you want to pick your speaker bridge sources. So in this case, I have a digi-rig that I'm using. So that's going to be my input, and then I want to output that to some speakers I have on my desk here so I can hear my radio through my PC. So if you click start, that'll start running. You might be able to hear the static there. I'll stop that for the rest of the conversation. Anyway, so then on the microphone side, I pick a microphone that I have set up through my webcam, and I want to output that to my digi-rig as well. In order to get kind of everything working here, you start them both, all right, and then that enables the transmit, and then you can hit transmit here. You got to choose the right COM port for your digi-rig or whatever RTS, PPT enabled device that you're going to be using. And once you do that, then you can hit the transmit button, and I'll demo that here in a second. Kilo, India 5, Quebec, Papa Yankee, testing ham audio bridge. Test, test, test. Kilo, India 5, Quebec, Papa Yankee, testing ham audio bridge. Test, test, test. All right, so let's talk about what's going on here. So in the app, like I said, there's the speaker bridge, the mic bridge, and the transmit button. So I've kind of color coded everything here. If you look at the green, that's the audio coming from the radio into the digi-rig, and then the ham audio bridge connects the digi-rig to the speakers, and then the speakers obviously are plugged in, to physical speakers, and then that's the radio, the audio that you hear, from the radio. Right. So then on the kind of orangish brown there, kind of the same concept, but it's kind of reversed, right? So on the voice side, you have the microphone on your PC and you talk into it, and it's virtually connected into the through the PC into ham audio bridge, and then it goes through ham audio bridge to the digi-rig output, and then the output goes into the radio, and then that's transmitted. So this is pretty much how ham audio bridge works, and I hope that you can try it out and it's useful for you. And if there's any issues that you have, hit me up on GitHub, and we'll try to get those fixed. Anyway, I appreciate it. Thanks for the interest in the software.